silver screen.
Tonight's show is sanctioned by our friends at U.S. Bakersfield.
I think so. I don't know if I have it set up for that or not.
The stage is set. There will be a lot of action, drama, comedy, and mystery. So get your popcorn ready and relax as the Salt Lake County Ice Singers and the Murray Silver Lights Figure Skating Club present Lights, Camera, and Action!
Let's open the curtain and start with the Broadway play, Bunny Girl. It's a musical based on the life of Fanny Price, who rose from the ranks of William Bodkin to become the greatest star of his academic office.
Barbara Streisand made the role of Fanny Price iconic in the Broadway version. Then she later reprised the role in the movie version, where she won